Good morning, students. In last lecture, I already discussed about the choose the correct one back exercise on the page number 121. But now we do the filling the blanks on the page number 122. Attracting a piece of iron is called, this property is called magnetism, students. Magnetism, already told to you. Attracting a piece of iron is called magnetism. Magnets come in different shape as a different already told the different type of shapes to you. Horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, magnetic needle, and some another magnet also. Yes. Two ends of a magnet are called poles. That is called poles. Which pole you already know, beta? North and south pole. Yes. Property of magnetism which has the influence of magnet is called, that is called directive property. I already told to you, when you hang the magnet, the direction of their north pole toward geographic north of earth and their south pole toward the geographic pole of the south of the earth. Like pole of the magnet repel each other. Yes, already told to you. We already done the one activities there. For example, you hang the magnet. When you take near any north pole toward there, they show repulsion, move away. But if you take south pole is there, show attraction. The magnet move toward the south. Toward the south. Then answer is will. Yes, like poles of the magnet repel each other. Same pole repel each other. North, south repel each other. And north, south attract each other. Unlike poles of the magnet dash each other, attract each other. Unlike opposite pole always attract each other. North and south pole attract each other. Area around the magnet which has the influence of magnet is called magnetic field. Yes, is called area around the magnet which has the influence of the magnet is called magnetic field. Area around the magnet. Area around the magnet. Magnetic, where the magnetic lines are there, that is called magnetic field. If any north or south pole come in this magnetic field, it may show repulsion or may show attraction. Like pole repel each other and opposite pole attract each other. Yes. Area, already told to you about this. Now come on this. Earth behaves like a huge bar magnet inside the earth. One more magnet, like a magnet is there, north pole, south pole. Already told to you, high pressure in the earth is a lavas also. That's why they produce the current is there. Temperature difference is there. Iron filling around the magnet form the curved lines. See there, these curved lines from north to south. Inside south to north. Not a curve. Dash lines of forces mutually repel each other. Yes, magnetic lines of forces. These magnetic lines are always parallel and repel each other. Keep in mind, repel each other. Now come on the true and false. Magnetic lines of forces form open loop. Yes, false actually. It was a false answer. Always form the closed loop always. Set. Now north to south and again come back and north. It is a closed loop only, beta. Suspended magnet always show north and south direction. When suspended magnet is already told to you, it always toward the geographic north and geographic south. Yes, the answer is the true only. A magnetic compass pointed the geographic. Yes, magnetic compass points the geographic south and north direction for. This is their north and this is south. Always toward geographic north and geographic south of the earth, students. Casing of the magnetic compass should be non-magnetic. But how you correct? This was the false only. Third one. South, here come north and here come south. Yes. Casing of magnetic compass should be non-magnetic. Yes, true. If this is a magnetic, if this is a case also magnetic, then problem is there, it attract this magnet. There is no effect of the some effect of the earth also. See there. So it always toward geographic north and geographic south. The case should be non-magnetic. I am again repeating, magnetic lines of forces from the closed loop. False is there. Open was wrong. Correct there. Closed will come. Suspended magnet should always show the north and south direction. True. Magnetic compass here you correct south की जगह north आएगा, north की जगह south आएगा. In casing of magnetic compass should be non-magnetic. True. So this is my lecture, student. In next lecture we discuss about the next true false. Thank you.